Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M22, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now before we get started, you will need one of these. It comes provided with the device and it's used to eject the SIM tray, but if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends and it should work just as well. So anyway, once you get that, let's pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. As you can see where the pin is holding right now. And once you push the pin in, the tray will pop out. And when you yank it out, you'll have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So you can place the SIM on whichever tray you like. And SD card right near the edge. Now make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray, and from there insert it back into your device. If you have some kind of pin on your SIM card, you will need to confirm it. And there we go. So the SIM card is obviously working and the SD card is working as well, which you can see right over here. And that is how you'd insert SIM and SD into this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.